If you're planning to sell your house in the next 6 to 12 months, you need to stop what you're doing and go outside and look at your roof. There is a new category of distressed houses developing in the market right now, and it has nothing to do with overgrown grass or boarded up windows. It's houses with roofs over 10 years old. Insurance companies are tightening their regulations and they are refusing to insure roofs that are past the decade mark. And here's the bottom line. If a buyer can't get insurance, they can't get a mortgage. And if they can't get a mortgage, they can't buy your house. We traditionally think of a distressed property as like an inherited house that's buried in back taxes or a tired landlord with worn down rentals. But today, the normal house with a 12-year-old roof is joining that list. What makes a house distressed isn't just the damage. It's when the homeowner doesn't actually have the funds to fix the problem. If you don't have an extra $15,000 lying around for a new roof and you need to sell, you're officially in the distressed category. Now, I wish that I could tell you that there are 3 clever strategies to get around all of this, but there just aren't. There's no loophole for the bank's insurance requirement. This video is about making sure you are prepared so you aren't blindsided after you've been under contract for a few weeks. Realistically, if you are in this situation, you've only got 2 choices. Number 1 is to replace the roof. You spend the cash up front to keep the house insurable for a family with a mortgage. Or number 2, sell it to an investor, whether that is a local investor or a national company like Open Door. They don't have to worry about bank loans. They use cash. But just be prepared to accept a discounted price to cover the cost of the roof. Before you put a for sale sign in the yard or hire a photographer, have a blunt conversation with your insurance company. Find out exactly where you stand. I want you to walk through this process with your eyes wide open so you don't waste resources, you don't waste time on a house that the bank just won't finance. If you live right here in Metro Atlanta and you're staring at an older roof and you're wondering how to navigate this, reach out to me. Click the Work With Me link in the description below. Or if you just have a question, click the Ask Me Anything link. I read and answer each one of those questions. All right, I'm done and I'll see you in the next video.